Come with me now to the premiere of the new associated British film, Yield to the Night. London's Carlton Cinema was besieged by enthusiastic crowds for this much-talked-about event. Sabrina was an early arrival and gave the crowds a treat, and here she is. I noticed she was wearing an unusual buckle on the shoulder of her gown. Popular John Mills with his charming wife. Bright-eyed Shani Wallace has a part in the new Chaplin film. Anna Neagle, as lovely and gracious as ever. Newcomer, Penny Morrel. Enchanting Janet Scott was escorted by her new co-star, John Fraser. They are to star together in The Good Companions. Isn't she lovely? So fresh and beautiful, and quite unspoilt by her successes. These two young stars seem a very happy choice for the new film of Priestley's famous novel. They are so obviously well matched. Robert Clark, President of the British Film Producers Association. Sandra Dorne and Patrick Holt. Sandra Dorne's earrings attracted much attention. How good it was to see Carol Matthews back in London again. Yvonne Mitchell, a most talented actress. She supports Diana Dors in Yield to the Night. Cool, elegant Noel Middleton stopped for a chat. Sir Laurence Olivier, impressed by reports on the film, came along to see for himself. Suddenly, the excitement was terrific. The fabulous Diana Dors, arriving in her blue Cadillac, was immediately mobbed by the crowd. Safely inside, she gave the press boys what we can only describe as an eyeful. Fabulous is really quite the word for this girl. Diana is now on her way to Hollywood to make her first film there. She told me she is looking forward very much to this new experience. The film will be called I Married a Woman, and her co-star will be the famous American comedian George Gobel. Let's hope she comes back soon. It was a great evening and a good send-off for this fine new British film.